How to log in ADP employee account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joints. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your employee account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your web application from your device. At the top search bar, type in ADP employee login and you will see logins on the first search result. Now tap open that link. And under For Employees, tap on any option that best describes you. For instance, I'm tapping on Change My Direct Deposit. And now just like so, enter your user ID and tap on to Next. If you like this site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says Remember User ID. Once you do so, on the next page, just enter your password, and if your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.